Hey, Ray here with the Electric Scooter Guy, and I'm here to unbox a helmet. We have the Unit 1 Faro. It kickstarted back in 2021, and since shipping, it receives rave reviews from the users and also from Cycling News. It's not just a helmet for bicycles, but it's actually stylish enough and it has lights, so you can use this on any type of micromobility. Let's get it open. Okay, we got a box. Boom. So look at that, indicator, turn signals, stop lights. Right here it has, ABS plastic outer shell. What's in the box? Already off the bat, you got the front lighting system right here. You got the back lighting system. All this is controlled via app. You got the USB-C charger right here. Now that Apple iPhones are switching over, somebody should have one of these chargers. We have this headlight in the front as well, and that actually is a benefit to most electric scooter riders. Predominantly, more scooters have lights at the bottom and nothing really high up. And I have a taller frame, so sometimes when I'm riding at night, people somewhat see the floor, but they don't actually see me, the body. So to have this light up here to indicate that, hey, I'm here from the front and the back. The Unit 1 Faro, it comes with turn signals. Some scooters, even the high-end scooters, sometimes they don't have turn signals, and having this helmet is a plus. And sometimes you have to, they do sell other helmets that you can do like some winky dink head turns that hopefully that it turn on, but to have a dedicated button to where you can hit the right turn signal or the left is amazing. So the turn signals are actually an add-on, and the reason is because when Unit 1 was developing this helmet, they surveyed half the users and half the people said, we wouldn't want to use turn signals, we don't need this feature. So for people like me who want turn signals everywhere, they made a $29 add-on, so here we go. Let's pop it open and get it connected. Here we go. So that works. You hold the button for a few seconds, wait for the green light to come on, and then you pair it, and then here you go. You have it on your scooter, and then you click the right turn signal, boom. You got the right turn signal. Up, left turn, boom. They also have an app that you can download to customize these LED lights that's within this helmet. There's so many things you can do back here. I think it makes a great addition to the helmet, so I would cop it. Not only does the app control the customizable LED lights, but you can also program it to be an emergency contact in case you crash and become unresponsive. It can actually call out and say, hey, this person needs help. So that's pretty cool. Hopefully nobody will have to use that, but it's a great addition to have. All right, let's get into some specs. You can order the MIPS Faro for $189 at the Unit 1's Kickstarter page. If you want the navigation remote for turn signals and brake lights, that kicks it up to $218. Yes, it seems like a lot of money for a helmet, but it's actually not that expensive. Even combined with the cost of a premium electric scooter, it's still a lot less money than a car. If a scooter is your primary vehicle, you want to take every opportunity you can to stay safe and protect your best asset, your brain. It has an IPX6 water resistant rating. It's fully charged from dead to fully charged in 3 hours. It can stay charged for about 10 hours. USB-C port charger like how we spoke about earlier. The same with the remote. It has the magnetic snap. Watch this. ASMR. Compared to other smart helmets on the market like the Lavolve Evo 21 and the Lumos Matrix, this one actually looks pretty sleek and pretty nice. I feel like it'll make me look good on the scooter, so I like the look of it. It's nice. So any scooter rider out there, safety is number one, helmet is number one in safety. Smart helmet, Unit 1 Faro. All right, let's put it on. Boom, strapped on, magnetic snap. All right, and I'm off.
To give a little back and celebrate how far we've come, we're giving away up to 9 scooters to random subscribers at the end of this year if you help us reach 75,000 subscribers or more. We hope you'll honor us by hitting that subscribe button. Hit the link in the description to enter.